Hey everyone, it's Brett with Duluth Pack here to talk to you today about our classic carry-on. And this is a briefcase that we specifically designed to work perfectly for you when you are on the airplane. It is made to be a carry-on that can slip under your seat or be put in the overhead compartment. And it's got many features, mainly these awesome front and back buckle closure pockets that allow you to adjust its size. So you can take these pockets and fill them if you're going to put it in the overhead bin, if you're not too worried about conserving space. And then if you find that you need a little bit less bag to fit in that space, you can take things out of them, fold them up nice and close to the front of the bag and the back of the bag and put them in that space. But this also allows you easy access to things without having to take your bag all the way out from underneath the seat in front of you. You can unbuckle this top flap, lift it up, and get into the contents of your front and back pockets quickly and easily without having to pull the bag all the way out, unzip it, and be moving your elbows around, hitting the people next to you on your flight. Not only that, but you can detach the shoulder strap and put it inside the bag so that you don't have to worry about this getting caught on any of the seats. When the plane lands, you can take it out and it attaches quickly and easily so you can throw it over your shoulder and get through the airport quickly and easily. On the inside, this is like most of our other briefcases and has some great features. There's this main compartment that is an open main compartment with a slip pocket on one side. And this is great if you want to put some magazines, notebooks, your laptop sleeve in here and carry everything nice and compact and together. But it also has this great organizer on the other side. So you have a zipper pocket on the top paired with a couple slip pockets, great for note cards, small notebooks, and some pens. As always, our products are proudly made in the USA, and they feature a lifetime guarantee on craftsmanship and hardware. So thanks for tuning in about our classic carry-on, and I can't wait to share something else with you next time.